Hello students, in this video let us understand certain important questions related to thermochemistry. First of all, do you know what is thermochemistry? This is a section which deals with the energy changes accompanied by the chemical reactions. Okay, so let us see the first question here. Define the term neutralization. So neutralization is a process which involves the combination of H plus ions of an acid with OH minus ions of a base to form unionized water molecule. Okay. The next question is define heat of neutralization. So what it is? It is the amount of heat evolved when 1 gram equivalent of an acid is completely neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of a base. The third question is, explain why the heat of neutralization of any strong acid with any strong base is always same. Why it is same? Do you know that value? It is 57.32 kilojoules. Now, this value is found to be always same whenever a strong acid and strong base are in contact with each other. The reason is, it is due to complete ionization of strong acids and strong bases. Okay. However, if you take weak acid and weak bases combination, what happens in this case is a part of heat evolved is used up in their dissociation. Okay. And so, in this case, the heat of neutralization decreases. It is less than 57.32 kilojoules. See the next question there. What is the heat of neutralization of KOH, potassium peroxide, which is a strong base, and acetic acid, which is a weak acid? The heat of neutralization in this case is minus 55.23 kilojoules per gram equivalent. So it is definitely less than the amount 57.32 kilojoule, which is for strong acid, strong base. Okay, since there is a weak acid involved there, so certain portion of this energy is been utilized for dissociation of the weak acid, and so the value decreases. The next question is, what is meant by water equivalent of a calorimeter? So you are aware of this term water equivalent of a calorimeter. Whenever you perform heat of neutralization reaction, you have to find out the water equivalent of a calorimeter in that case. So what it is? It is the mass of water which will absorb the same amount of heat for 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature as is absorbed by the calorimeter for 1 degree Celsius rise of temperature. Okay. Okay, then check out the next one. What is the general principle of calorimetry? It's a simple principle there. The principle says heat gained is equal to heat lost. Okay, so that is conservation of heat wala case. It deals with the principle of calorimetry. The next is, what is a calorie? So calorie, we know it's an unit basically, but what it is exactly? So it is the amount of heat energy which is required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. Okay. The next one is, name the factors affecting the heat of reaction. So in this category, you can go out for 4 different factors. The first one is amount of reactants, then is physical state of reactants and products, third temperature, and the pressure. Okay. Check out the next question there. Why can't we use metallic calorimeters for determining the heat of neutralization? It's very simple, just because metals have tendency to react with acid. Then you are not going to get accurate results for your heat of neutralization reactions. Okay, so we avoid metallic calorimeters. Instead of that, we prefer to use non-conducting materials which have been used here in the form of calorimeters. Okay, the normally used calorimeters in such cases are the thermos flask. Okay, and particularly if you go for heat of combustion reactions, there is a special kind of calorimeter is been used known as bomb calorimeters, which are made up of steel. The next question is, what are spectator ions? See, often we are talking about heat of neutralization, and we know whenever a neutralization process has been involved, H plus ions are also present, which comes from acid, and there are OH minus ions, which are the part of bases. But except these two ions, whatever the other ions associated with them, all those other ions are called as spectator ions. Is it okay? So this is for particular series of questions for thermochemistry. Thank you.